Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I hope you're fine. I'm also fine. So in this video I'm gonna show different beautiful and unique table home decoration ideas. Table art for family, for kids, for etc. It is very classy and amazing table home decoration ideas, and I hope you like it. You guys know we can share different table frame, table art, home decoration, different home sconces and etc. It's very beautiful and unique table home decoration ideas. So don't forget to my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.